final lightning talk for this off session, which has been fascinating, as the lightning talks always are, is SKAO MID, Integration and Testing Facility. I'm going to take a rough guess that the SKA part in SKAO stands for Square Kilometer Array. Observatory. I was going to guess at observatory. MID, I've got nothing. Vhulahani, Manukha, and Monde Manzini will be presenting for us.
Hi everyone, I'm Bodi and my colleague here is Monde Manzini. We are verification systems engineer, yes, from SKAO. SKAO is building one of the largest telescopes in the world. So our task as verification engineers is to build what we call integration test facility. This test facility is made up of test environment and the system under tests. Maybe what I should mention is that if you look here, you can see we have something called a Tango interface. So what this interface does, it ensures that we are able to monitor and control the test environment and the SUT from the same terminal. So the test environment is actually comprises of a bunch of different test equipments that we use to generate some test vectors into the system under test. System under test actually is made up of just a bunch of device under tests. These are products that made up the whole telescope. So Monde is just gonna actually dive into how do we go about controlling these two environments. I guess that's where Python comes in.
Thank you. As Vuli said, Monde. Disclaimer, we are not actually software developers or software engineers. However, the type of job that we do has prompted us to be part of the software community. We take part to the sprints and all the PI plannings. PI is in program increments, where the software team plans all their tasks for the next 3 months. So you're probably gonna know this better than us, but what happens in the integration test facility, just a bit of background. So the ITF is like you receive all these bunch of products from all over the world, Canada, Sweden, Spain, whatever. But before they get deployed to site, you need to like test them and make sure that they comply to their requirements as per the whatever systems engineers would say, this product must do 1, 2, and 3. So we are like the rubber stamp guys, like okay, this product functions as per required, can go to site. So we needed a way of controlling all of these products remotely, as they have some stakeholders abroad. So the one biggest thing that we have in our facility is the Kubernetes cluster, where that is built on top of Python. So we have some PyTango wrappers that are developed by most of software engineers all over the world. So they integrate to our test environment to talk to their software in the test facility. So as Vuli said, there's a bunch of products, the ITF, your receivers, your timing distribution systems, your controllers, all those, they talk to each of them have Tango devices or device proxies that are developed by the software engineers. So our job is to make sure that our test vectors written in Python, they can allow the software engineers to talk to their Kubernetes cluster. Thanks, that's it. Gotta apologize, this is our first time doing Python, first year doing Python, first time in PyConza, so next time this is gonna be quite better, we promise. Thanks.
I think to apologize for Monde, we should be saying welcome and thank you.